Hello everyone, this is Otsumami channel from Japan. Otsumami is Japanese finger food that goes well with the alcohol. In this channel, I introduce Japanese foods and even history of them as well. If you're interested in Japanese culture, you've gotta watch this till the end. Okay, so let's get it started. Today's menu is this, dakgalbi. What you've gotta prepare is this, kimchi. You can buy it at the supermarket. And then, gochujang. It's a Korean seasoning. Yeah, which is a bit salty and spicy. And this, sausages. And of course, shredded cheese. It could be cheddar cheese or Gouda cheese, whatever you have. Actually, dakgalbi is a Korean food, not Japanese. But if you can have it with alcohol, anything could be otsumami, so don't worry about it. When you make real dakgalbi, usually you need hot iron plate, and the way to make it is more difficult. But this is Otsumami channel, so I'm gonna make it in a super easy way using the microwave. Usually, when you cook original dakgalbi, you need to prepare chicken, but this time I'm gonna use sausages to make it easy. First, cut sausages. Well, you see, I'm a lazy man, so I just use scissors to cut them in pieces. And then, put kimchi on the plate. And I'm afraid I forgot to introduce this at the very beginning, but if you have mochi, Japanese rice cake, you can put this as well. This time I cut mochi into cubes, but I recommend you to slice it thinner, so that it can be melted easily. Then put Japanese mochi and sausages. And then, of course, put shredded cheese, as much as you like. This is the greatest time when making dakgalbi, you know. I love cheese. And here we use this gochujang. It's a bit salty, so be careful not to put it too much. Next, put the plate into microwave and heat it for a few minutes. This time I heat it for 2.5 minutes, but you can arrange it. Looks nice. Okay, now it's done. Voila! It's super easy, isn't it? Okay, so let's eat. Itadakimasu! That's nice. Looks like I've got to start drinking right now. Okay, so as always, let's move on to the drinking part. Today's drink is this, Ichiban Shibori, Japanese beer. Ichiban means the first, and Shibori means to squeeze in Japanese. So this beer was made only by first squeezed sweet wort. Feel like drinking now? Yeah, let's drink. Do you remember how to say cheers in Japanese? Kanpai. Yeah, so let's drink. Kanpai! That's awesome. Okay, so that's it for today. Thanks for watching. In this channel, I introduce you Japanese Otsumami. Originally, tsumamu means to pick up in Japanese. Otsumami is a Japanese finger food which you can pick up and eat while you're drinking alcohol. Every time you watch this channel, you're going to take one small step to be the Otsumami master. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and hit the like button. And check the other movies as well. Okay, so see you next time. Sayonara!